What is NFT and how to make money from it? NFTs have taken the world by storm, and the frenzy around them shows no signs of slowing down. From lending artwork to identity management, they offer numerous useful applications. So, do you know what NFT is? NFT expands to non-fungible tokens. In simple language, it is a digital file, an image, audio, video, tweet, music, or anything that is stored securely as a cryptographic record on a blockchain. Unlike your currencies, which can be replaced with one another, NFTs are unique and non-fungible, meaning irreplaceable. They offer titles of ownership to the owners and creators. As a creator, it allows you to maintain some specific details, such as including your signature in the NFT's metadata. With the growing hype, they now seem to reflect one's digital status. And the most significant benefit that NFTs offer is to make huge money. Yes, you can earn a decent passive income from these innovative tokens, or even become a millionaire if your stars are with you. NFTs offers a myriad of ways to make good money, provided you plan properly and choose the right approach. Well, in this short video, we introduce you to some of the finest and easy-to-implement strategies that would guarantee a handsome amount from NFTs. If you like videos about investing in cryptocurrencies, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful, so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. Top 8 ways to make money with NFTs. NFTs are all the rage, and the enormous profits earned by Beeple and CryptoPunks creators have made people crazier about them. Moreover, non-fungible tokens are not bubbles poised to pop. Instead, they offer newer and innovative ways of making money. As a result, digital assets are now a crucial component in the investment portfolios, and this trend is expected to continue, becoming increasingly popular in the years to come. Invest in promising new NFTs early. One of the best ways of earning decently from NFTs is by keeping a tab on the new releases and investing early before the prices start soaring higher. Mostly, NFTs are low-priced initially at the time of launch, and their prices surge as they gain popularity in the later weeks or months. A classic example of this is the CryptoPunks collections, which were available for a maximum of $34 in 2017, and later, as the NFT frenzy continued, their value skyrocketed to $24 million. Thus, the early buyers purchased it at a much lower price, while for others, it was worth a fortune. Play-to-earn (P2E) NFT games. Another exciting way to earn revenues from NFTs is by participating and playing the NFT play-to-earn (P2E) games. These games involve players buying in-game assets through skilled gameplay and earning rewards in the platform's native cryptocurrency. One such example is Axie Infinity, where Axies, the imaginary creatures in the game, land, and other in-game items are NFTs which the players can buy and earn rewards, reinvesting in other entities. Besides Axie, there are many other gaming platforms and marketplaces such as The Sandbox, Decentraland, and more. As the crypto industry matures, more such arenas will evolve, paving the way for investors to play and earn handsome rewards. NFT Hoteling. NFTs are a great investment option and are becoming popular as a key component of investment portfolios. One of the best strategies is to hold the NFTs for as long as possible, rather eternally. This is what the term HODL, hold on for dear life, indicates in NFT investing parlance. However, this strategy has both advantages and drawbacks. Considering the case of CryptoPunks, those who had sold it in 2017 owing to its extremely low price would have lost the huge profits which otherwise they would have reaped when its value rose stupendously. However, those who had adhered to the HODL strategy and held it as an investment would have enjoyed the profits. That said, all NFTs need not necessarily experience a tremendous rise in their prices, though generally, it is expected. Here at Money Trace, we've already done the heavy lifting and researched the best investment partners for you. Click on the link in the description to get to know the best cryptocurrency exchange we recommend for you, but don't forget to come back to the video for more important tips. Minting and selling your own NFTs. Well, for those who are interested in making money by minting their own NFTs, there are various channels available. Minting is the process that turns your ordinary digital file image, audio, video, or tweet into a marketable NFT. For example, you could create your digital file and easily mint it into NFT using tools like NFT Launchpad, specially designed for beginners. Once you have created your NFT, go to marketplaces such as OpenSea and Rarible, wherein you can put them on listing for sale. You need to promote effectively to have your NFT sold. And most importantly, make sure your art or collectible is something truly different and stands out from the crowd, as there's heavy competition in this realm. Once your NFT sells out, you can transfer your sale proceeds into your crypto wallet. Staking NFTs. Like staking cryptos, NFTs can also be staked by locking up the digital asset on DeFi blockchain platforms for a certain duration. If the price of the NFT rises while staked, you earn rewards. This usually works in the case of cryptocurrencies that use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. The method involves users validating the transactions, similar to crypto staking. However, this feature is still nascent and is mainly found in the P2E gaming sector. Some players in this realm include Mobox and Zookeeper. Flipping NFTs. Flipping is another useful and effective mode of making money from NFTs. Essentially, it is an investment strategy focusing on buying low and selling high to make margins. Therefore, it is generally very difficult to identify the best NFT and sell it at a high price. Moreover, certain factors such as token utility, community support, and the development team involved in the project must all be researched thoroughly. Generating income from royalties. One of the easiest and most practical ways of making money with NFTs is by generating royalties. Minting tools grant you the option to fix your royalty amount so that you as the original creator would earn some money as a percentage of the sales each time someone buys the NFT. Usually, royalties are set at 5% or 10%, though they can be more in some cases. Imagine if your NFT sells out for $1 million, how much money would you make as royalty? Invest in NFT companies. Alternatively, you can invest in companies with good experience and exposure to NFTs. Here, you can gain indirect exposure to the NFT industry, which will help you boost your growth gradually. Since the NFT boom began, several companies have invested in this arena. Check out such companies and plan your path ahead. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!